Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes and last class we discussed about selection. What do you mean by selection and what are the types of the selection? What are the pros of selection? Now we will see what do you mean by training and what are the methods of the training. We will see now. Okay? Training. Training means it is an action. Training means it is an action. Teaching somebody a particular skill. Means teaching somebody a particular skill is called as a training. Training means it is a teaching somebody a particular skill. Okay? Training is here. Training means action. Training is here. Action. Teaching somebody. Teaching somebody a particular skills and even teach the type of the behavior. Means type of the behavior. Type of the behavior. See here, training means it is an action. Teaching somebody a particular skill means teaching somebody. Who is a somebody is teacher. Teacher will teach the particular skills. Okay, teacher will teach the particular skills. We will see example. Okay, business study lecturer will teach the business studies. Accountancy lecturer will teach the accountancy, and economics lecturer will teach the economics. Like that only, somebody is teacher will teach the particular skills. Okay, teacher will teach the particular skills, and even they will teach the type of the behavior. Type of the behavior means what it is, means how to behave with the other persons, how to handle the situations, how to solve the situations. They will how to behave with the other peoples. Like that only they will teach here. Means training means already know about this. Training means it is an action. Teaching somebody particular skills and even they will teach the type of the behavior. Training is after selection. Next function is planning. Means last class we discussed selection. Yes, this after the selection they will give the training for the number of months or number of periods. Okay. See here. In organization, they will give the training at least 3 months or 1 month. At least 1 month or 3 months. They will provide the training to the employees. After that, they will select the employees. Example we will see now. In police department, they already selected people. Is they already select the police department. Means selected police they will take. After that, they will give the training. 9 months they will give the training. After that, they will take that for work. Okay. And see. After the appointment letter of the police, means after the appointment letter they will not come and directly they will not join. Means first they have to give training for that police. Why we are going to give training here? Means we have to give how to handle the people, how to solve the problems here. Everything we have to explain in 9 months only. And what is the rules and what is the regulations, what is the responsibilities, and everything we have to explain for the police. After that, we have to give the work. Okay? Like that only, here also in organization also they will give the 3 months or 1 month training here. Means what's the work, what is the rules, what is the responsibilities, what work you have to do it, and every information they will give and they will teach here. They will teach and after that they will give the appointment letter for the job for a candidate. Okay? This is the training meaning, and you will see what are the methods of training. Okay, what is the method of training you will see. In every organization they will give the job training. On the job training means it is a training which is the worker learn by doing the work according with guidance of the supervisor. The supervisor will guide according to the supervisor guidelines. The worker have to learn here. Means within the organization. Here outside of the organization. First we have to see here within the organization. Within the organization we will get means on the job. Means this in the job only they will get the training here. Means here outside of the organization. Outside of the organization. Means here outside means away from the workplace. Okay? Away from the workplace. Away from the workplace. Away from the workplace here. See here, within the organization, they will give the training here. Means outside of the organization, they will give the training here. Means here organization will give, here candidate have to take. Okay? And see, we will see what are the types of the on-the-job training. We will see the off-the-job training types. First here, apprenticeship training. Apprenticeship training. And next one is coaching. Next one is coaching. And next one is internship training. Internship training. And next it is job rotation. Job rotation. See here, these are all the on-the-job training here. See, apprenticeship training, coaching, internship training, job rotation. We will see here on-the-job training points. See here, on-the-job training points it is classroom lecturing. Classroom lecturing and films and case study and computer modeling and program instruction. These are all the off-the-job training types, and these are all the on-the-job training types. We will see one by one here. Okay, we will see apprenticeship training. Apprenticeship training means here the manager will give the apprenticeship training here. Who will give the apprenticeship training? The manager. Means supervisor. Okay, the manager. The manager will give the training here. And we have to, the training how to work under the guidance of the manager. Okay, the training how to work under the guidance of the manager. The manager will give the ideas, and even they will tell the solutions, and even you have to tell the how to use the materials here. Means it is help to the apprenticeship training. Means the manager will give the information about the machineries and what are the problems it will arises, and they will give the solution how to use the materials and how to use the machineries and how to use the tools, and everything they will tell in apprenticeship training. It is helpful to handle the situations and problems here. Means it is apprenticeship training mainly commonly who will do means the engineering students and medical students they will do in the organizations. Must should engineering students they will do. Why? Means they want practical knowledge. That is the main reason. There they will at least they will do 3 months in the organization they will do here. And next it is coaching. Coaching means Okay, the manager will gives the instructions to employees as a coach. Means the manager will give the instructions to the employee as a coach. He will give the information. Means the manager will give the information. What about he will give means about the working. Means how to work here. What is the responsibilities? What is the duties? And how to handle the machineries? And how to handle the tools? Everything they will explain. Means if they will explain means we will work effectively, right? When we know to work, that time it is effectively we will do it. See here, and even the manager or coach, they will give the regular feedback about the training peoples. When they will give the regular feedback about the training peoples, that time we will know what the mistakes, what is the correction, everything we will know. That time we will correct, right? When we will correct, that time we will in that work we are the masters of the that work. That is the main reason they will give the training. Why they will give the training means here the training will giving, and after that they will giving the feedback about our work. When they will give the feedback about work, that time we will know what is the wrong with me. What is wrong with me? They will correct. When they will correct means that time the skills and speed of the work will be increasing. Otherwise they can't. That is the main reason the training will be 1 month or 3 months. Okay. And next it is internship training. Internship training means it is a joint program of the business and educational institutions. Okay. Internship training means it is a joint program of the business and educational institutions. Okay. It is the joint program. It is the joint program of business and educational institutions. See, who will do the internship training means it is commonly used for the internship training medical students and engineering students. See, we will why they are sending the people means the professional institutions they will send the students to the organizations for the purpose of to gain the practical knowledge. When they will see the work means already in organization they will working the employees. They will feel the work. When they will feel the work, that time they also know that work. That is the main reason they will send the students to the institutions. Okay, in the organization they will send. Mainly commonly who will come and do the internship training means engineering students and medical students and diploma students, and these are all students they will do internship training for the purpose of to gain the practical knowledge. Okay. And next it is job rotation. Job rotation means it is internal sources. Job rotation means what it is? Already you know about this, right? Internal sources. Internal sources. What are the internal sources here? Promotion and transfer. Job rotation means it is internal sources. They will using the internal sources. How they will use internal sources we will see here. Okay. Internal sources means you already know about. Within the organization they will select the peoples. Within the organization they will select the peoples. Job rotation means here shifting the employees one department to another department, or one job to another job, or one branch to another branch is called as a job rotation. Why they are sending the employees one job to another job means to increase the new technical skills. Okay, in employees increasing the new technical skills. Why they have to increase the new technical skills means example. I will tell. Okay, and one manager will work in the HR manager. The HR manager will work. The HR manager will work HR department and finance department. So here in HR manager they know how to do the HR department, how to handle the HR department. The financial manager they know how to handle the finance department, but we don't know how to handle the HR department. The HR manager know how to handle the HR department. The financial manager know how to handle the finance department. But the HR manager they don't know how to handle the finance department. The financial manager don't know how to handle the HR department. Means they know only finance department. Means it is only they know only one skill. Means one department they know. Means they don't have any multi-talent. They have the organization will give the importance and they will encourage the multi-talent here. That is the main thing. They will shifting the jobs one department to another department. Means the HR manager they will work in the finance department. The finance manager will work in the HR department. Like that, they will exchange the jobs for the purpose of gaining the new knowledge and new skills and even multi-talent also they will get here. And next we will see what are the of the job training and next we will see of the job training. Of the job training means outside of the organization. Of the job training means it is outside of the organization. The workers only they will learn with their own institutions. Means with their own talent they will go and they will take the training in training centers. The organization will not give here. The organization will give here only. On the job training only the organization will give. But in here the of the job training they will not give. We have to initially we have to take training here. Initially we have to take training here. See here. First of all it is classroom lecturing. Classroom lecturing means here they will give the informations. Means classroom lecturing means how to behave the organizations. How to behave in organizations. They will teach here. Okay. How to behave the how to behave in organization. How to behave in organization in classroom lecturing they will teach, and even they will teach how to handle the equipments and how to work in machineries, how to handle the tools, how to handle the equipments. Everything they will explain here only. Okay, everything explained in classroom lecturing only through the demo, seminar classes, audio classes, video classes. In classes only they will explain it. Means classroom lecturing means like that only, right? Means we are explaining in live classes or seminar classes or audio classes or video classes. We are explaining what is the rules, what is the regulations, what is the responsibilities. Everything explained in the classroom only. It is not live. Here live classes. Okay. Here means it is off the job training. Means without working they are going to take the training here. And here they will tell the rules, regulations, responsibilities. What is the procedure in our organization? Everything they will explain here only. And next we will see films. Films means it is before we are going to act, we have to know how to act the films. If you want to act means first they have to know dance and even acting abilities, and even they have to know how to handle the situations and they have to work clarity here. Film industries means it is they have to work clarity, and even they have to increase the demonstrative skills. Demonstrative skills means it is practical executions. Demonstrative skills means what it is? Practical executions. Demonstrative skills means to means to gives the practical practical execution. Practical execution means live acting. If you know how to act, they will automatically act and they will dance. Means without knowing, without training, they can't do. That is the main thing. If you want to act the films, first they have to know how to act. That is the main reason they will go and train up there. Means after job training, they will train up your films. Okay. And next it is case study. Case study means it is a written descriptions of the situation of the organization. What are the situations if it is get anything wrong in the organizations? Means if it is anything wrong, means it is anything arises problems. That problems how to handle. We will get. Means case study means that is the main reason. Means if it is get anything problems, here they will try how to solve the problems. Here they will try. Case study means they will here try. Okay. And how they will try that means here the case study means they will give the about in all information. Means the organization information, everything they will give to the training people. The training people they will study what is the advantages of the organization, what is the disadvantages of the organization, what is the motivations and what is the procedures, and everything they will study. And after that finally they will give the conclusion about that organization. That conclusion is solution. Means that is solution. How they will get the solutions? Means the training people they will study about the organization. After that they will give the conclusion. That conclusion is problem solution. That is they will learn here. Okay. And next it is computer modeling. The computer modeling, the organization, here organization, the computer modeling used to give the training people. Why they will give the training people to computer modeling means because we can't give the missionaries for that training people. Why means they don't know how to the work. Yes, they don't know how to the work. Because the training people, the pressures in that organization. That is the main reason they will not give directly to the missionaries. First they will give training and after that they will give the directly missionaries. Means here they will give like animation. Means computer animations. Like that they will give the missionaries. Means in that only they have to train. In that only we have to learn the work. When they will do the work, that time we will know how to do the work. That is the main reason here. The computer modeling here. See here. The computer modeling it is help to reduce the damages of the missionaries. How they will reduce the damages of the missionaries means we will not give any missionary to the training peoples here. Okay, we will not give the anything because every missionary cost is 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs is there. We can't give to the training people that missionaries. That is the main reasons in computer modeling they will use. Means like animation. Computer modeling is animations, pictures, and like that they will train the peoples. Means animations, pictures, like that only they will train the peoples, and after that they will give the original missionaries here. Okay, after that they will give the original missionaries here. And next it is program instructions. Program instruction means it is research based system. Program instruction means what it is? Research based system. Program instruction means what it is? It is research based system. Program instructions means what it is? Research based system which is used to learn the work successfully. Which is used to learn the work successfully. How means this is the learner materials. This is the learner material. These are just look of the training peoples. This is the model of the training. Means here they will give all the information about the training. Means now example Java, C, C++, and these are all program instructions. Here also they will get. The engineering students they will do the program instructions. They will take the training. Okay, in the companies they have to work means before that they have to take the training. Otherwise they can't do effectively in organization. That is the main reason they will learn your program instructions. The program instruction it is the learning material is a kind of textbook. Means teaching what is the missionaries. Means how you have to use the missionaries and what is the computer and how have to use. What is the Java? What is the C++? And everything they will explain and they will give the material about that. Means when we will know about that, we can do effectively work in the organization. Otherwise, we can't work effectively. That is the main reason they are going to take the training about the program instructions. And last one is Western Blue training. Western Blue training it is a training which is the organization will give the training. How they will give the organization means out of the work. Means it is the out of the nearby the job they will give the Western Blue training. Western Blue training means it is they will give the duplication missionaries for the training peoples. Okay, duplication missionaries they will give for the training. Okay, why they will give the duplication missionaries? For the purpose of training. Okay, if you will give the original missionaries, that will damage. Why means they don't know how to work. That is the main reasons they will not give original missionaries here. They will give only duplication missionaries here to learn the work. To learning the work. That is the main reason they will give the duplication missionaries. Okay. If it is we will give original missionaries, what will happen here? Means that will damage. Means even organization also will get damage and losses. That is the main reason they will not give the original missionaries here. Understood? Western Blue training means it is they will give the duplication missionary for the training peoples for the purpose of learning the work. Okay? And I think all of you understood this on the job training. On the job training, see here. Training means what it is? It is an action. Training means it is an action teaching somebody a particular skills. Particular skills means already I told in job training they will teach the how to handle the situation, how to do the work, and how to handle the machineries, how to handle the tools. Everything they will explain in the training. Training is the next function of the selection. After the selection, we have to give the training. Up to 1 month or 3 months, they will give the training in the organization for the purpose of to increase the efficiency of the employees in our organization. That is the main purpose they will give in the training here. And of the job training, on the job training. Of the job training, on the job training is within the organization they will give the training. Of the job training is what it is outside of the organization. Outside of the organization, they will give the training. Who will give means they only the individual take the training here. Means it is away from the workplace. They will take the training here. Apprenticeship job means under the guidelines of the manager will take the training. Coaching means the manager will give the instruction as a coach. Means they will get the what is the rules, what is the responsibilities, what is the regulations. Everything they will explain here only. Internship training means the joint program between the business and educational institution. The commonly who will do the internship training is medical students and engineering students. Okay. And job rotation is already you know. Job rotation is shifting the one department to the another department. The employee is shifting the one department to another department. That is job rotation for the purpose of to increasing the multi-talent in the managers. Okay. And next is off the job training. Already you know about this, right? Off the job training means, see here, classroom lecturing means the manager will give the how to behave in the organization. They will give the classroom lecturing means how to do the work and how to handle the situations, and they will give the information through the audio, video and demonstration in the seminars. They will give the informations. And films means if they have to act means first they have to train, otherwise they can't do the films here. And case study means the training people they will tell the what is the problem in our organization, and we will take that solution and we will apply in our organization. That time our organization will be increase the profit. And next is computer modeling. Computer modeling means it is animation and pictures. Okay. And program instructions. Program instructions means what it is here. Means it is research based system. Means they will give the all informations like Java, C++, like that program instructions here. Means Western training means already duplication missionaries they will give for the training purpose, learning purpose. Means after that they will give the real missionaries for the work. I think all of you understood this one, the training methods. And next class we will see difference between the training and development, and what are the benefits of the training, and what are the benefits for the employees, what are the benefits for the organization for the training. We will see next class. Thank you, students.